Alright, so today I'm going to be replacing the PCV membrane since mine failed. I had replaced it before, but I think I did it wrong, so we're going to make sure we do it right this time. Comes in this nice little kit. The cover, new spring, and the membrane sitting in there. I have to make sure that piece is actually set in properly, because it wasn't before, I think. Either that or it's just a very commonly failing part that I don't want to have to replace so often. Bear with me while I find somewhere to mount my phone since I forgot to grab my tripod. As long as that stays. So this little piece here is the cover. Just pop it off with the screwdriver. 4 little clips. This is actually the hardest part of this whole process. Well, that was easier. Normally, that takes longer. Yeah, we'll get rid of that one. Right here, somewhere in here. There it is. There's a little split right there, causing oil to come out. I don't want that. Cleaned it out a little bit last time, so I'm not going to do that this time. Yep, old one comes off, new one goes on. Take about 60 seconds. We're back inside the vehicle. Hopefully runs a little smoother. And I'll have to clear the codes to make sure everything is back to normal. Yeah, I have to double check what the engine light is on for again. Of course, I'll have to drive it around to see if that comes back. I already know about the fuel level sensor circuit too high. I have to replace the in-tank fuel pump at some point. So it's running smoother. Didn't hear the air running through there like I had before I replaced it. We'll see if I get my fuel economy gains back and potentially a little more power. Because won't be leaking where it's not supposed to leak.